The high-speed servo RC car, built-in 4 digital grating encoder, a RC car with industrial control system, maximize mobility, move beyond the concept of a traditional RC car. The servo system provides a precise control of position, fixed speed, intelligent turning, fast braking performance, omnidirectional Mecanum wheel. There will be no restrictions on your movement. 360-degree arbitrary movement, move obliquely, sideways and drift at will, arbitrary radius of turning. Driving is not limited by space. Servo control. You will be given the unprecedented control over cars.